Let's start with clean lashes for the best hold. Curl your lashes using gentle upward pulses. Focus on the middle, inner, and outer corners. Apply a thin layer of hazy primer. If you skip this, your natural curl won't last all day. Primer helps the lashes play nice with eyelash. Let's apply the eyelash now. Angle matters. Take note of the correct way. Place eyelash under your natural lashes, right at the root, but not on the skin. Gently press to secure. Just look at the instant lift with our Eden. For removal, I always do it in front of a mirror. Pull down slowly, just like this. It's gentle on your lashes. This little one here is reusable for 2 to 3 wears. We can't wait to see you glow up with eyelash.